Is it possible to become a millionaire investing only $200 per month? The answer is yes, and it is very simple. Want to know how? In this video, I will share this secret with you. Hi, welcome to The Holder Investor, and in this video, we will go over how you can become a millionaire by investing only $200 per month. Imagine a guy named James. He is 21 years old and works as a bartender. He does not make a lot of money, but can save $200 per month. His dream is to achieve financial freedom to retire early and live with the passive income of his investments. To achieve that, he started to invest in the stock market. He starts to invest $200 per month in an ETF that follows S&P 500, which historically has returned 10% yearly. After 10 years doing that, he had only $40,000. He thought about giving up because he was far away from achieving his goal. He wanted $1 million. However, James, now 31 years old, was patient and knew that he could achieve his goal with the power of the compound. So he kept investing in the stock market, and after 28 more years, he finally became a millionaire and achieved his goal at 59 years old. It took 38 years for James to become a millionaire, saving only $200 per month with a 10% return. This may sound like a lot of time, right? But now, let's say James became a software developer, and instead of $200, he started to invest $1,000 per month. With the same return of 10% yearly, would take only 23 years for James to become a millionaire. And after 30 years, he would have more than $2 million. But let's go further and imagine that instead of investing in the S&P 500, James started to study a lot about stocks and started to choose individual stocks and was able to achieve a 15% yearly return. After 30 years of investing $1,000 per month with a return of 15% yearly, he ends up with almost $7 million. 3 things defined how much money James makes with his investments: the monthly amount, the time he holds his investment, and the annual return. All of these points are very important. Higher amount for more time with a higher return will lead to more money. The secret here is the compound return. I'm using the compound return formula to calculate how much money James would make, and the higher these 3 numbers are, the higher the return. Time can make a huge impact. For example, investing $2,000 per month with a 12% return yearly would lead to a return of $460,000 in 10 years. In 20 years, the return would be almost $2 million. In 30 years, almost $7 million. And in 40 years, the return would be $23 million. This is the power of the compound, and it is a variable that you can control by holding your investment for the longest period possible. As the name of this channel says, be a holder. Now, let's play we are Warren Buffett that had a historical return of 22% yearly. Let's say that you will invest $3,000 per month for 40 years with Warren Buffett's return. How much do you think you would end up with? Comment below before seeing the rest of the video to check if you can guess. It would be more than $1 billion. But of course, this is not an easy task, as Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors of all time. Replicating this annual return for a long period will be a very, very difficult task. But this exercise shows us how the stock market can make you a millionaire and how it is an awesome and democratic tool that anybody can use. That is why I love the stock market. Starting to invest can change your life and help you to achieve financial freedom. That is why I am passionate about stocks, and that is why I am doing this content to try to help you to see that. I'll put the link to the site I used to do this simulation in the description below so you can use your numbers to do your simulations. If you want to learn more about investing and increase your knowledge, please subscribe to this channel and activate the notification button to not lose any content. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.